Friends, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, we will try to design array with the random numbers. Okay, uh, I got so many queries in my WhatsApp chat section and YouTube comment sections. Sir, how can we create array? How can we create array using initialize functions? Okay, but with the random numbers. So what they want to ask, I am going to explain. You know very well by using this random number generator, we can generate random numbers, and by using this array slice functions we can create array, okay, with the dimension size. So let's see. So using these functions we can create number with the random number generators, but there is only one problem. The all element of this array the all element of this array will be same. So the questions of my student is, how can we create array, okay, with a different kind of the random numbers? So here I will teach you how can we design that array. For that, let's take random number generator function here, take initialize array functions, take, okay, after that let's keep 1, okay. Nice. After that, come here and take one for loop. Right click, create control, okay, num number of element or array size. Now using this concept, okay, using this logic, we can create array with the random numbers. Let's try to check it. Okay, so okay, now you can see there are three numbers, okay. In this array there are three elements, three values, and both are different, okay, randomly generated. In this condition there are six values, all are the random generated. So by using this concept you can create your array with the random numbers, okay. Now how can we create, now next concept, how can we create 2D array? Okay, how can we create 2D array? To create 2D array we need to do only one thing. First take this one as same. After that it is number of column, right click, take one more, number of row, okay, number of row and number of column. Delete this one, control B, right click, create indicators. Number of row and number of column are here. Now number of row is 2 and column is 6. Let's try to run. So you can see here the number of row is 2 and number of column is 6, okay. but all number are 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's 2 cross 6 and all number are randomly generated. So by using this logic you can create your array with the random values. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like, so please share and try to design this program. Thank you.